Hi, it's Sharka. I'm in Las Vegas at the Directions 2019 conference. If you weren't able to make it, Business Central is pretty exciting. Lots of announcements this week around pricing promotions and transition pricing for customers. And probably the best thing about the conference this week was all of the sharing that partners did around what they're doing to change their business model and their marketing motions and their way they market to acquire more cloud customers. So some amazing case studies and stories of partners who've grown their service revenue by 200% or more, who've been acquiring 30, 40 new customers a year and sharing their stories about moving towards a packaged, fixed price type of model to accelerate their sales and the growth of their Business Central client base. All right, so a few common themes I heard this week. The first one was the importance of specialization in order to differentiate and to be able to charge premium pricing and reduce churn rates. I also heard lots of stories from partners about how they're fixed pricing their services and offerings to help make the decision quicker and easier for customers. But that, of course, there's risk associated with that. And my recommendation always is fail and fail fast. And that way you learn from your mistakes. And with each implementation, you can become smarter and better at knowing what to include, what not to include, or how to frame up and qualify the prospect before committing to that fixed project or fixed price. The other thing I heard was a lot of changes in how people are marketing, where they used to get 2 leads a month. Now they might be getting 20 or 30. So lots of content development, how video's working, how blogs and creating educational content is helping partners get more leads and better qualified leads. Also consistently heard from partners that their sales cycle is getting shorter, that customers are making decisions faster, and that they're working hard at becoming more digital and having marketing take over more of the sales process. So recording videos that do demos already canned so that they don't have to do demos in the sales cycle anymore. One particular partner was talking about reducing their investment in getting a new Business Central client down to 5 hours of sales time. And I heard another partner talking about having, 2-3 week sales cycles before they can close because they're getting so good at being able to push out videos and content to the customer that they can self-serve and get the information they need when they want it. I also heard this week partners talk about how hard this transformation to the cloud is from a mindset perspective. A lot of companies invested in new solutions and products, and they're ready to go to market. But the real challenge has been around getting people to change how they sell and change how they market and to make deployment more efficient and effective and get some efficiencies through that process. We kind of have to change our mindset first to be able to change the business model and all of the motions that accompany that. So more focus on change management and people. I heard a few partners say you have to reorg or, get some of the resistance out of the way. So lots of changes there from partners. I also heard lots of activity regarding mergers and acquisitions. In fact, this week, Jet reported that they just got acquired, and a couple other partners were in negotiations and discussions throughout the week. So keeping an eye out on acquisition opportunities or merge potential with other vendors or partners. And I also heard a lot of ISVs coming to the table with new solutions and a higher commitment in the channel to creating great solutions out of the box together that are integrated. So we're starting to see some of the product gaps filled. All right, so it's getting a little hot out here and I have to go catch my flight. And hopefully my voice will return back to normal. So take care and we'll talk to you soon. And if you need help with any of this, let us know. You know where to find us. And make sure to click on the links below. I think you'll find them helpful to launch Business Central or to accelerate your customer acquisition.